Today I would like to present you this really nice conversion set for 1:8 Revell kit of 79 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM. This kit has been originally designed and produced by Cameron Randall Lewis in USA, but while ago Cameron reached me and asked would it be possible for me to produce and distribute this kit in Europe, including UK, just that his customers could save on shipping cost, the import taxes, and also shipping time. So usually I prefer to stay with ship parts, and but as soon as we know each other, we know from Titanic building community, I was glad to help Cameron in his request. So I got all these parts from Cameron, and so test 3D printed them, and yeah, as soon as I see that I could really nicely produce them, because those who know me that under 3D model space I pay a lot of attention to quality I provide to my customers. So that's why yeah, as soon as I proved that I could print everything really nicely, I started production, and this set this week already goes to the first customers here in Europe and UK. And if you're interested in this kit, you can get in touch with me. So all parts printed in so you see, in my main resin I use is Sunlow Standard UV resin, which is very nice. I use it for all my products, and the only maybe small disadvantage that, of course, as soon as you have 3D printed parts, it's not very nice 3D contrast. Yeah, so but to solve this problem, I usually just make priming, so with this spray. So originally this is for cars, but it's really nicely stacked to this resin, and also really nicely after that could be used for airbrushing, for example, with acrylic paint. So as you see, after this priming, you can really nicely see all small details as rivets or other small component, because this also was printed in this transparent clear resin. The only two parts which I printed separately in another resin were this lights lenses, and I printed it in this Resi1 G217 resin, which is extra clean resin, and also this small part, also these lenses, yeah, which in this case, as you see, this resin doesn't give this yellowish color after curing, washing and curing. So I used to print from this resin parts which is important to be really transparent, like windows or this companies, or like this lenses, because for this resin, as soon as you anyway gonna paint it, so it doesn't matter is it really yellowish or not. So you can also, for example, what I use this clear spray, clear lac varnish to varnish this clear part, so then they really become really smooth and really nicely transparent. Okay, so just to show you all parts you're getting with this conversion set. So first of all, this front clip, yeah, and that's what I meant when I said that this clear resin, the main disadvantage that it's not really nicely, doesn't have really nice 3D contrast. So meaning first of all, you don't see really all details, but also, as you see, it's pretty difficult sometimes to focus camera on it in comparison with darker or gray or dark gray parts. But nevertheless, this is the main part you get. It will come, as I said already, on support, so you will need to remove support yourself. That's first large part. Second large part, this is rear bumper. Yeah, so that's how does it look like on support. But support helps also to keep the part intact upon packaging and shipping. What you also get, there's two versions of front light grid, so and the two, so for 77 and 78, and main difference, as you could see here, there's two different grids. So yeah, so this is, you have two sets of this parts. Another parts which I already told, so this is rear light and rear light lenses, and yeah, as you could also see, so these lenses, they are printed in the transparent resin, this extra clear resin, and they're not, almost not yellow as you could see for just this normal Sandler resin. Yeah, so that's the main advantage of this extra clean resin. And also the same for this running light and running light lenses. They also printed in this clear G217 resin. Two plate holders, also small parts as radio, so this is tune lights adapters. Yeah, and so antenna adapters, radio, and the last part, which is extra part, this cowboy hat. So these all parts will be very nice packed and shipped to you, as I said, inside Europe or UK. So the cost of this set as it is now from me, €100 plus shipping, and for UK of course it will be some import taxes extra, and of course advantage that delivery time within Europe will be just a couple of days. For UK usually it's also 3-4 days depending on your already UK local shipping company. So that's why you're welcome to order this kit from me, and I'm really glad to help Cameron on distribution of this set in Europe and UK. So looking forward to get your request.